ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमो सद्गुरु तुकया ज्ञानदीपा नमो सद्गुरु सच्चिदानन्दरूपा नमो सद्गुरु भक्तकल्याणमूर्ति नमो सद्गुरु भास्करा पूर्णकीर्ति सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं। Ramakrishna Hari. Today is the 25th day of our Chintanam, and today in this Abhanga, Tukaram Maharaj is going to narrate all names almost, and just by explaining their name, Tukaram Maharaj is going to ponder upon that. Each Lord's name has a lot of importance. Like our Shankaracharya ji wrote commentary on Vishnu Sahasranam, thousands name of Bhagwan, Lord Vishnu, and each word has connotations, different meaning, sometimes some specific meanings. Same way, this is one way of doing Chintanam upon Lord. One way is you can think about Lord and His Leela, then you can sing His Kirtanam, and this is third way of doing Chintanam. You take His name and ponder upon that, what could be the meaning of that name and how that name takes me towards that Lord. This I can think on. Very beautiful Abhanga today we will sing. ऐसी है गरजाऊ वैखरी केशवा मुकुंदा मुरारी ऐसी है गरजाऊ वैखरी केशवा मुकुंदा मुरारी राम कृष्ण नामे बरी हरि हरि दोष सकळ राम कृष्ण नामे बरी हरि हरि दोष सकळ ऐसी गदवू वैखरी केशवा मुकुंदा मुरारी राम कृष्ण नामे बरी हरि हरि दोष सकळ ऐसी है गरजवू. ऐसी means in this way I should reverberate now. My throat should go on now in this way. I should roar like this. Garjana means roaring, like how a lions roar. Like that. Now I shall roar. What? I say Garjavu Vaikhari. 4 languages are there. Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikhari. Coming upward, Para means that Vani, Mooladhara Chakra. Same way 6 chakras are there. And this last one is Vaikhari, which is very much explicit, full expression of our feeling That is called Vaikhari Vani. Words are clear, and through our tongue, through our mouth, that Vani is coming. It is called Vaikhari. Now Tukaram Maharaj is saying, Vaikhari aisi hai garjau. I will start from here and go up to Para, and beyond that I have to go. Beyond that chakra, Mooladhara chakra, I have to go. और ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज से परे ही परते बोलने खुंटले. In that state where Paravani also stops. These are all yogic practices, but we can start with Vaikhari. That is why Tukaram Maharaj says, Aisi hai garjau Vaikhari. How? Keshava, Mukunda, Murari. Three names he is saying. Keshava. Keshi was the Daitya, and Bhagwan Krishna killed that. That is why name came Keshava. I will sing Keshava. Mukunda. Muku means moksha. Mukum moksham nirvanam dadati iti mukundah. That Lord who gives me moksha, I will sing his name. Mukunda, I will chant his name. Mukunda. Murari. Mura was the another Daitya demon. Lord Krishna killed him. Murasya arihi iti Murari. And Tukaram Maharaj says, thousands of names are there. In that, Rama Krishna Name Bari. Ram and Krishna, these are the two full perfect name. Bari means here perfect. Two names are Rama Krishna. They are most important and most sacred. Why? Because they both are Purna Avatar. That is why their name also is Purna. Beautiful. Jnaneshwar Maharaj also says, Rama Krishna Name Hidoni Sajiri. These names are the perfect, full and beautiful name. When we take anybody's name, that time full picture comes in front of us. Same way when you say Rama, then Ayodhya, forest, Sundarkand, everything comes. Full Ramayana comes. That is why it is good. Some names, if you take, then some other thoughts will come. Like if a thief is there, if you take his name, then some other thought will come. But when you take Lord Rama's and Krishna's name, only pious thought will come. Only sacred thoughts will come. Okay. Rama Krishna Name Bari. Hari is another name. Hari Dosha Sakala. This is Slesha Alankara. Hari means that Paramatma, and Hari means Haranam. That Paramatma takes all the Papa Dosha away from you. That is why it is called Hari. Each name has lot of connotations, but right now we can't see much. Hari means that Paramatma. Hari Dosha Sakala. That Paramatma will take away all defects from you. And that Paramatma I will reverberate. Okay. Janardana Jagajivana Janardana Jagajivana Dana Jagajivana Janardana Jagajivana Virat Swarupa Vamana Virat Swarupa Vamana Mahadadi Madhusudana Bhava Bandhana Toditiya Mahadadi Madhusudana Bhava Bandhana Todidiya Janardana Jagajivana Janardana Jagajivana Janardana Jagajivana Janardana Jagajivana Janardana, you are the protector of all Jana people. Jagajivana, you are the very life substratum of this whole world. Janardana, Jana means people and Jaga means world. You are the protector of people, you are the protector of world. Virata Swarupa, you are not confined or limited by some time, space and object. You are Virata. Virata means Vyapak. Virata Swarupa. Actually, your real nature is Vyapak. And how? To show how Lord is Vyapak, Vamana word is used. In that Vaman avatar, in 2 feet, Bhagwan pervaded everything. And then third leg he put on that, what was it? Third leg he put on that Bali Raja. Yeah, got it. So that big is Bhagwan. In 2 feet he can cover earth and everything. So that is bigness and pervasiveness of Lord. Virata Swarupa Vamana. Mahad Adi. Mahad means Maya. Mahad Adi. You are the cause of that Maya. Cause means here, Adi means you are the support of that Maya. Maya doesn't have its own existence. Maya is depending upon Brahma for her existence. Mahad Adi, you are the Karana of that Maya, because from Brahma Tasmat Atmanah Akasha Sambhutah. From that Brahma Akasha came. Means from that Brahma Maya, and then from that Maya Akasha, and then whole Parampara. Mahadadi Madhusudana, and you are the killer of this Madhu Rakshas. Madhusudana. What else you do? Bhava Bandhana Toditiya, and you break the bondage of Bhava. Bhava means here samsara. In samsara we are under the grip of Maya, under the grip of avidya, and that gives us samsara. Samsara means sukha dukkha. Sometimes sukha, sometimes dukkha. This parampara continues. That bhava bandhana, sukha dukkha will go away if Lord comes in your life. Sukha and dukkha, these are opposite pairs. But is there any opposite word for ananda? No. You will not find in any dictionary opposite word for ananda. When Lord comes in your life, that time sukha dukkha, you are beyond that. You are in ananda state. That is why it is said bhava bandhana toditya. Bhagwan will break the notion of finitude. Here samsara means I am finite being. I am in one place, in one time. This notion Bhagwan will break. And how he will break that notion? By giving knowledge, he will break the notion. Bhava bandhana toditiya. Now some few names are coming, very beautiful. Chakrapani Gadadhara, Chakrapani Gadadhara, Asura Mardana Virya Vira, Asura Mardana Virya Vira, Sakala Mukuta Manishura, Sakala Mukuta Manishura, Sakala Mukuta Manishura, Aho Datara Jagadaniya, Sakala Mukuta Manishura, Aho Datara Jagadaniya, Janadana Jagajivana, Bhararupa Vamana, Janadana Jagajivana, Virat Swarupa Vamana. Chakrapani. Chakra means that discus, having pani means hand. Oh Lord, you are having discus in your hand. Or chakra means that rotation of death and birth. Chakra, cycle, and pani means one who stops that cycle of birth and death. That is called chakra pani. One is holding discus in his hand, and second is one who stops the death and birth cycle. Chakra pani. Gada dhara. Gada means maze. Okay. Dhara means holding, one who is holding maze in his hand. One simple, meaning is that Bhagwan has Shankha, Chakra, Gada and Padma. Shankha, Chakra, Gada and Padma, this Bhagwan has. Bhagwan first, he will blow a conch. Shankha means conch. To wake up us, Bhagwan will blow a conch. If you wake up, then Bhagwan will give lotus. Shankha, Chakra, Gada and Padma. If you wake up, then Bhagwan will give you Padma. Padma means moksha. Okay. If you don't wake up in first call, then Bhagwan will give you Gada. Some sorrows, some beating up in life. Bhagwan will beat you up. This is second grace of Bhagwan. Shankha is over, Padma and Gada. And when you don't get up at all, when you don't listen at all to Bhagwan, then Bhagwan will send Chakra. And that Chakra is Mrityu. Bhagwan is holding Chakra, Gada in his hand to make us aware of his nature, make us aware of Jnanam. So he will blow conch. How he will blow conch? Not like Panchajanyam Rishikesham. Some satsang will come on your ear. Today is Kirtanam here. This is how he will wake you up. Not that he will come and he will shake you off and he will wake you up. No. Some satsang is there. Somebody is starting some Sanskrit text. Something will be there related to spirituality. Then if you wake up, all right. Otherwise, new techniques Bhagwan has. First Chakra, last is Chakra, death. That will come if you don't get up at all. Okay. Asura Mardana Virya Vira. Asura means demon. Mardana means the one who crushed all Asuras. Mardana means crushing off. Asura means demons. And Virya Vira. Virya means valor, profess. Bhagwan is having valor and Veera. His valor and profess is such that nobody can stand in front of Bhagwan. Asura Mardana Virya Vira Shura. And you are Shura also. Your valor is well known in this whole world. Shura. Who is Shura? When army is standing, who is Shura? Who will be chasing them and protecting all other his army. Not that only he will protect himself. That is not Shura. He has to fight with others and protect his army. Then he is Shura. Same way Bhagwan protected all Pandavas and with mind he fought with everybody. So Bhagwan is Shura. Sakala Mukuta Mani, and Bhagwan is the crest jewel on the crown of a Shura Mahatma. So who is Bhagwan? Crest jewel, Hira, Mukuta Mani, that jewel who is sitting on that crown. Mukuta means crown. Sakala Mukuta Mani Shura. Aho Datara Jagadanya. Aho Datara, you are the best donor. You are the best payer of this whole world. Our boss pays us 20,000, 30,000. He will take more work from us and will pay a little. Bhagwan will give you more and he will ask you to do some work. That is why it is a best data, best donor. Aho Datara Jagadanya, and he is protecting, he is fostering whole this world. Jagadanya. Next. Madana Murti Manamohana. Madana Murti Manamohana. Gopal Gopi Karamana. Gopal Gopi Karamana. नटनाट्य कौशल्य काना अहो संपन्ना सर्वगुणे नटनाट्य कौशल्य काना अहो संपन्ना सर्वगुणे जनार्दना जगजीवना विराट स्वरूपा वामना जनार्दना जगजीवना विराट स्वरूपा वामना. Madana Murti. Madana means Cupid, Kam, and Murti. When you have desire for Bhagwan, then all other desires will be left you. Madana means very beautiful. You will engross in that Bhagwan if you see that form. That is the embodiment of Cupid, Kama, or love. Kamadeva means love also we say. Bhagwan is the embodiment of love, personification of love. Madana Murti, Manamohana. When Manamohana means your all mind will be captivated by that personality. Manamohana, your mind will be totally engrossed, preoccupied by that Bhagwan only. Manamohana, your mind will not think about anything if you have Lord's darshanam. Manamohana. Gopala Gopika Ramana. Gopala means cowherd boys, Lord Krishna's friends, and Gopika means in that Gokul, in that village, whoever that ladies were residing there, all they were called Gopika. And Ramana, Bhagwan entertained all Gopal and Gopika. Bhagwan would dance for Gopika. Will he dance for anybody? Bhagwan would dance for Gopika. Bhagwan would do so many things for Gopal. Playing flute, all kinds of games, so many. If you read Tukaram Gatha, Bala Krida is the prasanga. Bala Krida is the one separate portion. In that all Bhagwan's Krida they have explained. Very beautifully Tukaram Maharaj Ji has explained. Gopal Gopika Ramana. All Gopal and Gopika they will take delight in Lord Bhagwan. That is Lord Bhagwan. Nata Natya Kaushalya. And Bhagwan is expert in Nata, means playing some role. In drama, Bhagwan is expert. Now I won't go in that Leela. Bhagwan would do all sorts of things. He would cry, he would, pretend something. If Gopika or Gaurani, they used to come and complain about Krishna, Bhagwan will show, I have not done anything. I didn't do that. I did not do any stealing. Bhagwan will pretend like that because he is expert in doing drama bazi. Nata Natya. Okay, Nata means he is a hero, best hero. He will play his role very nicely. Nata Natya Kaushalya. In dancing, so many kalas are there. Bhagwan is expert in all those kalas. Nata Natya Kaushalya Kana. And Tukaram Maharaj says, Sarva Guna Sampanna. Aho, O Lord, you are Sarva Guna Sampanna. You are endowed with all gunas. How many gunas are there? Plenty. And you are endowed with all those gunas, O Bhagwan. Sarva Guna Sampanna. Sarva means all gunas, not only 6 gunas. Ananta gunas are there, and Bhagwan is having all gunas. If I have singing quality, one quality I have. If I have speaking quality, second quality. But Bhagwan has Ananta Guna Nidhana. Okay. And Bhagwan is Gunavan. He is always with attributes and quality. Bhagwan, Tukaram Maharaj says, no, he is Nirguna also. He is Gunavan also and Nirguna also. Gunavanta Ani Nirguna Gunavanta आणि निर्गुण सर्वसाक्षी सर्वजाना सर्वसाक्षी सर्वजाना करोनी अकर्तापना निधी अभिमानातळो करोनी अकर्तापना निधी अभिमानातळो जनार्दना जगजीवना जनार्दना जगजीवना जनार्दना जगजीवना विराट स्वरूपा वामना गुणवंता Bhagwan has all qualities and at the same time he is nirguna. One Chaitanya devoid of all quality is nirguna, and one Chaitanya, same Chaitanya with different attributes, with Maya Shakti he is Gunavan. Devoid of Maya he is pure consciousness. There is no quality, no attributes, because how a infinite Vyapak thing will have any quality? Space is there, space doesn't have any quality. Like that, he is nirguna. In its real nature, Lord is nirguna. But when it comes association with Maya, then all guna he has. Gunavanta, gunavan means one guna, and gunavanta means plural, bahuvachan, many gunas. Sarva Sakshi, beautiful word. Sarva Sakshi, this Sakshi is from Shveta Upanishad. Sarva Sakshi Sarva Jana, Bhagwan is witnessing all and Bhagwan Sarva Jana, he is Sarvajna. This Sarvajna is from Mundak Upanishad. Sarva Sakshi Sarva Jana. Tukaram Maharaj means all Upanishad and Vedas are there. Okay, when we see any verse of Tukaram Maharaj in the light of Upanishad, we should try to see. For that we have to study Upanishad. To understand Upanishad, I have to study Prakaran Grantha. To understand Prakaran Grantha, I have to study Sanskrit. To understand Sanskrit, I have to go to spirituality or any ashram. So this is gradual process. Prakaran Grantha, Sanskrit, Prakaran Grantha, then Upanishad, then Bhagavad Gita, then Brahma Sutra, then Siddhi Granthas. Go on studying. Study will not end. Your life will end, but study will not end. Sarva Sakshi. Bhagwan is Sarva Sakshi. He is the witness. He is witnessing all. Sarva Sakshi. Sarva Jana. Jana means knowing. Sarvajna. Bhagwan is Sarvajna and Sarva Sakshi. Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi. That Sakshi is Bhagwan. Sakshi means who is not involved in either of the party. You know, if somebody does murder of any person, then one person will be witness. He has nothing to do with both the people. He is Sakshi. He is just witnessing them what is happening. Same way, body and mind, Antakaranam is there. Paramatma is illumining this body also and Antakaranam also. But this Paramatma, Chaitanya, has nothing to do with body and mind. That is why it is Sarva Sakshi and Sarva Jana. What it's showing, Bhagwan is Sarva Sakshi means he has to present everywhere. And Sarva Jana means he has to be consciousness. So Bhagwan is Sat, Chit and Ananda. This is shown here. Karoni Akarta Apana. And Bhagwan is doing everything, but he is Akarta. Apana Karoni Akarta. Whole world he is running. Whole show is running on and he is Akarta. Why? Because knowledge is there. If knowledge is there, you can doing something, but you will be Akarta. Pashyan, Shrunvan, Sprushan, Jigran, Ashnan, Gachan, Swapan, Swashan, Pralapan, Visrujan, Grunnan, Unmishan, Nimishan, Napi. You are doing everything, but you know I am not doing anything. I can't do anything. Same way, Bhagwan is also akarta. Doing everything means Upadhi is doing, Bhagwan is actually akarta. Nedhi abhimana atalo, and that ahankara, that notion is not there. Abhimana means here ahankara. Aham karomi iti ahankara. I am doing, I do this, I do that. I only do, I only did. This aham bhava is called ahankara. That notion of finitude is not there in Paramatma. Paramatma is akarta, abhokta. That is why he is doing everything and he is free. If we also become akarta and abhokta, we will be also free from everything. When we become akarta means actually I am akarta and abhokta. I feel I am karta and I am bhokta. So when I understand I am akarta abhokta, automatically all experiences, bhogas are nothing for me. But it is a big step in Vedanta. Bhagwan is akarta and abhokta. Okay. Such Bhagwan, whatever name he has enumerated, such Bhagwan, Tukaram Maharaj is saying, how I will do seva to him. Very beautiful bhava. कासयाने घडे याची सेवा, कासयाने घडे याची सेवा, काय एक सम पावे या देवा, काय एक सम पावे देवा, वशतो नवे वाचो निभावा, वशतो नवे वाचो निभावा, पाया वेगळे जीवा न करी तुका, पाया वेगळे जीवा न करी तुका, जनार्दना जग जीवना, जनार्दना जग जीवना, विराट स्वरूपा वामना, महदादी मधुसूदना, भवबंधना तोडतिया, भवबंधना तोडतिया, जनार्दना जग जीवना, जनार्दना जग जीवना. Vrindavani Saranga Rag. And teacher is Pratasmaraniya Param Pujya Vaikunthavasi Ramchandra Baba Bodhi. He taught us everything. कासयाने घडी याची सेवा. याची means whatever I have described, Sarvajna, Sarvashaktiman, who killed everybody, of that God, how can I serve that God? Kasayane ghade, kasayane means how can I serve that God? How my offering will reach to that God? How my offering will make that God happy? We do puja, but is that God happy with my doing, my worshipping? This is important. I do puja with great things, but is that God happy with me? This is his question. कासयाने घडे याची पूजा. तुकाराम महाराज says, कासयाने पूजा करू केशी राजा, हाची संदेह फेडी माझा. How shall I worship you? I have big doubt, because you gave water, space, vayu, air, water, fire, everything you gave. Now what I shall offer you? Because everything is in you and everything you gave. Same question is here. Kasayane ghade yachi seva. How shall I do his serving? How shall I serve him? Kaya ek samarpave ya deva. What I shall offer. Samarpave means offer. What shall I offer to this Lord? Because everything he only gave me. What I shall offer? Nothing is there mine. I told you ahankara we can offer. My ego, my finitudeness I can offer to God. This God has not given us, but we have developed, entertained that notion in our mind. That I can give up. Okay. Vashato nave vachoni bhava. In spirituality, big people are there. They will donate crores of rupees. But Bhagwan will not be under the control of rich people. Because Bhagwan needs bhava, love, and bhava means shraddha. Vashato nave, Tukaram Maharaj is saying, God cannot come under the control of other things. Vachoni, other than bhava, other than shraddha bhakti, God will never be control of anybody. How we can control God? With bhakti and bhava. Vashato nave vachoni bhava. Tukaram Maharaj says, Nareshwar Maharaj says, if one bhava is not there, then palhal. If one bhava is not there in spirituality, everything is futile only, useless only. Because bhava is the controlling factor of Lord. Vidur, when Bhagwan went to Vidur's house, that time her wife gave peels of a banana and Bhagwan had it because she had different bhava. Shabri, Mata gave, tested berries to Lord. Bhagwan had that. We give offer 56 bhoga and all, and our bhava is different. Bhava is very important. What kind of bhava? I am yours, you are mine, you are guiding my life, and I have no worry. This bhava should be there. I am nobody, you are everything. Tu hi tu, this is bhava. And mai hi mai, this is samsara. I. No, Lord. This is paramartha. Vashato nave, he won't be under control by bhava. Paya vegale jiva na kari tuka. And now I will never separate myself from your feet. Now I will never separate myself from your swarupa. Nice bhava. How I can serve you, what I shall offer you. Without bhava you are not controlled, and now I have that bhava, and I will not separate myself from you. Beautiful bhava. And what I will do? I see he garja khari. I will chant your name with bhava, with bhakti, and then you will do everything for me. Same way, chant every day Lord's name. 2 rosaries, 3 rosaries. Rosary means mala. Ek japa mala you do. Start. Don't wait something good will happen and then I will start. Start right away. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Pundalika Varada Shri Hari Vitthal Shri Jnanadeva Tukaram Mauli Jnaneshwar Maharaj ki jai. Jagadguru Tukaram Maharaj ki jai. Sadguru Joga Maharaj ki jai. Sadguru Swami Chinmayananda Maharaj ki jai. Ram Krishna Hari.